Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. So I just wanted to nip on to show you this lovely new kit from Nanine at Collage Type, and this one is called Butterfly Love. I wanted to show it you before I started using it because I am going to be using some of it in the altered book. Now this one is like a mint aqua kind of kit, but there's some quite grungy bits as well, and they're the bits that I will be using in the altered book. So I've got a couple of file folders and I've backed them with this lovely grungy like wallpaper one. So I thought these would probably fit in some of the big pockets in the altered book. So there's two of those, and there's a lot of aqua in there, which it's not really the colours that I'm using, but it won't not fit in type thing. Sorry, I have got my printer still going. I'm definitely going to be using these cards in the altered book. I absolutely love them, and these smaller ones there. So I won't be using this one in the altered book. I shall put this aside for when I will be wanting to use it. So I've got 3 tags here and lots of butterflies to cut out. So the elements I have printed out on a cream colour, so it does make them look darker to if you'd printed it on white. So but I like that more darker look. And this one, the ones that are wonky is me putting paper in wonky. So I probably won't use this sheet. I may use this one, but again I shall put those away until I need them. I absolutely love these, and I would definitely be using these 3 well, hopefully in my altered book. So I'll put those there. Got another sheet of don't know why that was stuck, embellishments. So again, love that, really nice tag there. But bingo card, little element there, and a key. So I shall cut that one out. I'm just hoping that I can cut these out without a problem. So these are some like backing pages and full pages. I think they're all portrait, which is brilliant. So we've got those. I think there's some more somewhere. I don't know if they've ended up. Yeah, they've ended up going to the back. We've got this one, which you could either keep as a page, or there's, you know, even more to cut out as fussy cuts. I'll probably use this in collage and just rip round it, and I have only done it on paper. I've got this beautiful aqua coloured one. Again, I shall put that away until I do blues. I absolutely love this. Look at it. It's a really rusty colour, and then with the aqua there, that's beautiful. So I shall put that over there. Love that colour, is my favourite colour. It's a real sagey kind of colour. So I shall put that on the pile for my altered book. So then we get on to the double kind of journal pages, which obviously you don't have to use them like that. A lot of these I will rip out and use them in collage. So oh, sorry, wait, not you flying. So I am actually going to, so that one will go on my altered book. So will this one. Oh, love this. So I will keep that page full. I'm going to take that one off because I would definitely use that one in the altered book. on my other pile. I'll keep that full. Probably take this one off and using the altered book. And I'll probably use that one as well. So that is the kit. I think altogether it is 21 sheets. So it's a pretty big kit, and I do like that there is quite a lot of tall pages as well. It really does help when you're doing, you know, bigger projects. So I shall gather these together and put them in my folder with my altered book. So I think the next page that I do, I'm going to be using some of these beautiful butterflies. So that is the kit. I will leave Nanine's link down below. I've done a playlist for the altered book, and I've got quite a few going up over Christmas, you know, Christmas, New Year period. So we should be all caught up, because I've done 5 full pages now, and I've done the tags for them, and I've sewn them all up. So we're ready to do as next block of pages. So, oh, something else for me to cut out. I think I'm going to leave these out and just cut them out as I want them, because as you know, I've sat for days cutting all the botanicals out. So thank you very much, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.